friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, Patrick and I just got back from the store and the local nursery, so I got a little bit of a garden haul today. Wanted to show you what I got, and I know I don't usually do 2 garden videos in the same week, but it is going to be this week. So today is May 1st that I'm shooting this video, so what a perfect day to go to the local nursery. So let's talk about what I have here. Okay, starting off here, I have 3 different June-bearing strawberry plants, and I didn't realize until after I got home that they're not labeled. They're actually 3 different ones because I only got one of each so I could try each one and see which one I like best. I know one is a Rainier, one is a Honey Eye or something, and then I forgot, I think the other one's called Totem. But unfortunately, I don't know which is which. However, the whole idea is to see which ones I like best, which ones are going to do best for me. And, you know, even if I don't realize later what the name is, at least I can try them out. I've decided to get rid of all my everbearings. I'm just tired of them. I don't care for the flavor. They're just blah, and they don't get very big strawberries, and they just don't produce a lot. I want something that's going to give me a lot more strawberries all at once. So I'll probably pick a couple more up at the homesteading fair this weekend too, so I can try a few different varieties and see what works best. So that's those, and they'll be going in various spots. And then I picked up some Walla Wallas. I keep trying to start onion from seed, but they never do well for me. They always die before I can do anything with them. I'll keep trying. I'm not going to give up, but at least I know I can go to the local nursery and get some Walla Wallas. They're our favorite. Any of the bigger sweet onions are our favorite ones to grow. So I'll be getting these in the ground very shortly, hopefully today. And then here, this was the main thing I went to the nursery for. This is the golden oregano. Now, I don't know if you can tell the color. Hey, Minnie Pearl, put a sock in it. I don't know if you can tell the color here. This golden oregano is right now, it's about kind of a darker lime green, but it hasn't been in direct sun. Where they had it is kind of more of a shady type area. So once I get this planted in the sun and it starts getting a lot of sun, this will turn almost yellow and it will get very bright. I love golden oregano. As some of you know, it's one of my favorites. I think I lost mine. I'm still hoping it may come back. I did find a few little pieces I was able to get starts from, but I want this growing in various places around my garden. I actually like the flavor of this better than the hotter oregano. I'll still grow that, but I love the color that this adds to the garden, as well as this wonderful kind of sweet oregano flavor that's a lot more mild, that's just really tasty to eat right off the plant. So I'm very excited to get this in. Now, I've had a lot of people ask about seed. Where do you buy it? Where do you buy the plants? Well, if I can get seed off of these soon, I'll try to save them so I can put them up on our store, or, you know, if I get it from this year, I don't know if I will or not, but I'll see. If it flowers, I'll see if I can get some seed. However, all I did was put in a request for the local nursery to get some of these in. So that's all you have to do. Go to your local nursery and request whatever it is you want. And if they can get it in, they will. They can't always, not all the time, but I know ours had no problem getting this in. And then over here, I got some more violas. I always call all of them pansies, even though that's not entirely accurate. Violas, pansies are a viola, by the way. Pansies are just your more cultivated violas. And what I want is more of the smaller ones that are simple and I know are going to be more hardy and hold up. So I wanted to get a few more colors. And so this little cheap basket, I don't remember what I paid for. It's just, you know, I might have paid $4 for it, but it ends up being only $1 a plant because there's 4 different plants in here. So I got the orange, the purple, and then I got 2 of these white with the yellow, and I don't think I have any of these this year. So I'm wanting to add more color and get more pansies or more violas, I should say. And so that's what I'll be doing today, is getting these into various pots and places, because they do best in pots around here, but they'll still keep coming back if you take good care of them. And then petunia. Look at how beautiful this petunia is. Petunias are also edible, and they have a nice flavor. You can add them to salads. Here's the picture, so you can kind of get a better idea with them all full bloom. But I love the gold and the dark kind of a burgundy purple color. So I can get this planted and have another beautiful flower that also is edible and adds color to salads. So that was it for my garden haul for today. I know it's not really that much compared to what some people might do, but for me this is a lot. I don't usually purchase this much garden-y stuff at one time. Now the last thing I want to show you has nothing to do with anything I bought today, but I did do a video that's going to be coming out actually in probably a few weeks. But these are some mojito mint starts that I made from my own garden. I did a video showing people how you can easily make mint starts, mint of any variety, out of what you have grown, so you can either sell them or give them away to friends. And so this weekend is the homesteading fair, and I'm taking these with me to trade in exchange for a chocolate mint. So the lady that's gonna, one of the ladies that's gonna meet me there is gonna trade me chocolate mint for mojito mint. And I made 2 starts just in case one didn't do well, but they're doing beautifully. They're doing great. So no worries. They almost always, I never have had a problem making starts from peppermint or any kind of mint that is, and have it do really well. But I always do an extra one if I know somebody wants one, just in case for some reason maybe I screwed something up, broke up off too much of the root, and it didn't want to take. But it's been 2 days. They look beautiful. Okay, well, that's just another quick garden update for this week. Remember, you can ask your nursery, your local nursery, you know, if they're not carrying it, see if they'll get it in for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.